In a world where dreams stretched as far as the stars, two young boys, Ben and Max, dared to reach beyond the confines of Earth. With hearts full of wonder and minds ablaze with curiosity, they embarked on an extraordinary journey to Mars. Guided by their shared determination and fueled by their boundless imagination, they soared through the cosmos, leaving behind the familiar embrace of home for the uncharted frontier of the Red Planet. Their days on Mars were filled with awe-inspiring discoveries, crimson landscapes stretching as far as the eye could see, towering mountains whispering secrets of the universe, and the silent beauty of a world untouched by human hands. Through challenges and triumphs, Ben and Max stood side by side, their friendship a beacon of strength amidst the vastness of space. And as they gazed upon the distant stars, they knew that their journey was just beginning, a testament to the power of dreams and the enduring spirit of exploration.